Hi, this is Christina Hills from the Website Creation Workshop, and in this video I want to show you how to use this online tool called Broken Link Checker. Broken Link Checker is a tool, not a plugin. It's a website that you go to and you put your site in and it will help you find your broken links. So I'm going to test it with this site of mine, and let's see what it comes up with. So you enter your URL and then you click Find Broken Links. And it wants to make sure I'm a real person, so I'm going to type in this code, and if you can't read it, you can have it generate a new code. And I'll just leave the default that's set and click on Find Broken Links Now. Now this can take a little bit of time depending upon how big your site is. So you want to just wait, and I'll probably pause the video while it does this. So I'm happy that it didn't find any broken links. I'll run it with another website of mine. And let's see if it can find any broken links. So this site didn't have any broken links. I'm going to run it with another one of my sites. And I'll pause this video while this is running. Alright, so on this other site of mine, it has found some broken links. So let me take a look at what that could be. So I'll just pick this and I'll click on URL. And it's showing me the link, the page on my site where the link is. Now this is an embedded Yelp review, and let me just click and see. So it may be, yeah, there's nothing wrong with this link. So it's possible that Broken Link Checker is not able to follow this embedded Yelp review on my site. So I'm probably going to skip that, but here's a page. It looks like there might be something wrong here. So I'm taking a look at it. All right, so I'm going to ignore these Yelp reviews. This ingredient, let me copy this link and open it in a new tab. And it says results not found. So I'm using a recipe plugin, so there might be something in here that I'm not linking to correctly. But in general, this looks pretty good. Now this, let me see where this is going. I think that is this link. So it's not liking this embed. Let me paste this in. Yeah, so there's something about how I'm linking this, that how it's embedded, that Broken Link Checker doesn't like it. So in general, this is pretty good. This I can check on, this I can check on, and I just think it doesn't like the way Yelp is being embedded. So let me show you. I'll just close some windows here. So I want to show you one more thing before I end this video. Now I ran this earlier today on my blog, and I've had my blog for many, many years, and it came up with a lot of broken links. So I'm not worried about it because it helped me troubleshoot what I need to fix. So you'll see the broken link and then the link text. And when it has people's names, that's because they left a comment on my site and their website has changed or something like that. So I can click to the URL, and it will show me the blog post, and then I have a whole bunch of comments. And so this gal, her site is not up anymore. So that's not a problem. I can edit this and remove the link from her, and I'll go through this list and do that. Then this Stumble Upon, I had a link. Let me go to the top. In here, the share to Stumble Upon wasn't working, so I wound up deleting that. But this is really good because it's easy to find broken links, and a lot of these are people's comments that they've left on the blog, so I'm not going to worry about that. So here, when I follow this, I'll look and see that I had an embedded YouTube video and that video was taken down, so I'll be able to replace that. So this is a really handy tool because it lets you find broken links, and then you can fix them. And again, many of these are from comments. If you see something that says image, it means that the image is linking to something that is broken, and it could be because I just moved it. Yeah, this report, I've moved that, so I will go in and edit and fix it. And so what you can do is run this through Broken Link Check at brokenlinkcheck.com, and then don't worry if you have a long list, fix a bunch of them and then run it again, which is what I'll do, and all these Stumble Upon links will go away. So this is really handy, and what I like about it is it doesn't slow down your website by having an extra plugin. And again, you can find it at brokenlinkcheck.com. So that's it. That is how you use this online Broken Link Checker free tool to find any broken links on your site. Go ahead, fix a bunch of them, run it again. And if you've got a big site, it might take a while, so you'll just have to let it sit and run. And this way you'll never have broken links again. This is Christina Hills from the Website Creation Workshop.